Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey brawlers, ever dreamed of your short video going absolutely viral? Well, 2025 is just around the corner, and the landscape for content creation is always shifting. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of crafting Brawl Stars shorts that don't just get views, but truly take off. Let's make sure your amazing gameplay and creative ideas reach the biggest audience possible. When it comes to content, think about what makes people stop scrolling. High-skill plays, incredible comebacks, or even funny fails are pure gold. Character highlights, especially with new or powerful brawlers, also perform exceptionally well. Consider quick tips or unique strategies for different maps, as these provide immediate value to viewers. The goal is to offer something exciting, informative, or entertaining in just a few seconds. Editing is where your short truly shines. Start with an immediate hook, often within the first 2 seconds to grab attention. Maintain a super fast pace throughout, cutting out any dead air. Trending sounds from platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts can significantly boost discoverability, so use them wisely. And don't forget clear, readable captions or short text overlays to explain what's happening or add a punchline. Polished editing makes all the difference. Getting discovered is crucial, and that's where algorithm optimization comes in. Always include relevant hashtags, like the game's name and popular brawler tags, to help people find your content. Consistency truly matters, so aim for a regular upload schedule if you can. Actively encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your shorts. High engagement tells the platform your content is valuable, helping it reach an even wider audience. Making viral shorts isn't just a one-time thing, it's a journey of continuous learning. Always stay updated on the latest Brawl Stars updates and community trends to keep your content fresh and relevant. Pay attention to your analytics, see what videos perform well and why. Experiment with different concepts and editing styles. The more you create and analyze, the better you'll become at cracking the viral code, so keep having fun with it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.